Hey there, my vacuum fan. Today I'm going to use my Miele machine. I got some in this, but I'm going to leave some in the package that my neighbor can use some, hook up it. Because my neighbor has one 4 kids, with 3 kids at Bethel, and the other kids, no, she has 3 kids, if you never know, the other boys in it. I'm not going to say the name, but this right here is already good for pets, kids, and everything in a household or store. So I'm going to hook that. So to start, I'm going to tell me some. This is my new store vacuum now. It's that. Oh yeah, that's trash. Okay, good luck vacuum. Sorry about that. I vacuumed for the trash can this morning. Sorry, my cool down the way. You know that. I was cold. Okay, let's go. I just vacuumed this piece, so hey guys, thanks for watching.